Hi everyone! Welcome to Senior Quiz. I'm so glad you're here because today we have 50 super fun and tricky general knowledge questions waiting for you. You'll get 5 seconds to answer each question, so stay sharp and see how many you can get right. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, comment your score, and subscribe for more amazing quiz videos every day. All right, let's get started with question number 1. Question 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Mars. D. Venus. Correct answer, Mars. Mars, the red planet. Hope you got that one right. Question 2. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Indian Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. It's huge and beautiful. Question 3. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Vincent van Gogh. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Pablo Picasso. D. Michelangelo. Correct answer, Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, what a masterpiece. Question 4. What is the capital city of Japan? A. Kyoto. B. Tokyo. C. Osaka. D. Hiroshima. Correct answer, Tokyo. Tokyo, one of the most exciting cities in the world. Question 5. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Pretty cool, right? Question 6. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Correct answer, 7. There are 7 continents. Did you remember them all? Question 7. Who wrote the Harry Potter book series? A. J.K. Rowling. B. George R.R. Martin. C. Suzanne Collins. D. Stephen King. Correct answer, J.K. Rowling. A little magic here. J.K. Rowling is the author. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical quizzes. Question 8. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Tiger. B. Horse. C. Cheetah. D. Lion. Correct answer, cheetah. The cheetah, speed champion of the world. What is H2O commonly known as? A. Hydrogen. B. Salt. C. Water. D. Air. Correct answer, C. Water. Simple and refreshing. H2O means water. Question 10. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. Correct answer, Japan, the land of the rising sun. Question 11. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? A. Brain. B, heart, C, kidney, D, lungs. Correct answer, heart. Your heart keeps you alive, literally. Question 12. What is the capital city of Canada? A, Toronto, B, Ottawa, C, Vancouver, D, Montreal. Correct answer, Ottawa. Ottawa, it's Canada's capital city. Question 13. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A, Eid, B, Diwali, C, Christmas, D, Hanukkah. Correct answer, Diwali, the Festival of Lights. Diwali brings brightness everywhere. Question 14. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? A, Mercury, B, Mars, C, Earth, D, Neptune. Correct answer, Mercury. Tiny but closest to the sun, Mercury. Question 15. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A, horse, B, camel, C, donkey, D, elephant. Correct answer, camel, the perfect traveler for desert journeys.
Question 16. Who discovered gravity? A, Isaac Newton, B, Galileo Galilei, C, Albert Einstein, D, Charles Darwin. Correct answer? Isaac Newton. An apple fell and Newton's brain woke up. Gravity discovered. Question 17. What is the largest mammal on Earth? A, elephant, B, whale shark, C, blue whale, D, hippopotamus. Correct answer? Blue whale. The blue whale. It's absolutely massive. Question 18. Which instrument measures temperature? A, barometer, B, thermometer, C, speedometer, D, hydrometer. Correct answer? Thermometer. Thermometer. It helps you check if you've got a fever. Question 19. Which country invented pizza? A, France, B, Italy, C, Spain, D, USA. Correct answer? Italy. Italy, the home of delicious pizza. Question 20. Which continent is the largest by area? A, Africa, B, Asia, C, Europe, D, North America. Correct answer? Asia. Asia, the biggest of them all. Question 21. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? A, Isaac Newton, B, Albert Einstein, C, Galileo Galilei, D, Nikola Tesla. Correct answer? Albert Einstein. E equals mc squared. Einstein changed the way we see the universe. Question 22. Which planet is known as the blue planet? A, Mars, B, Earth, C, Neptune, D, Venus. Correct answer? Earth. Our beautiful blue planet, Earth. Question 23. Which U.S. state is famous for the Grand Canyon? A, Arizona, B, Nevada, C, Utah, D, Colorado.
Correct answer, Arizona. Arizona, home of the breathtaking Grand Canyon. Question 25. Which U.S. landmark has 50 stars on it? A. White House. B. American flag. C. Statue of Liberty. D. Capitol building. Correct answer, American flag. Stars and stripes forever, the American flag. Question 26. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 32 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, 0 degrees Celsius. Ice cold. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Question 27. Which fruit floats on water? A. Apple. B. Grape. C. Mango. D. Banana. Correct answer? Apple. Apples float. Try it next time you're at a party. Question 28. Which city is known as the Big Apple? A. Los Angeles. B. New York City. C. Chicago. D. Miami. Correct answer? New York City. The Big Apple, New York City. Question 29. Which ocean is the largest in the world? A. Atlantic. B. Pacific. C. Indian. D. Arctic. Correct answer, Pacific. The Pacific Ocean. It covers 1/3 of Earth's surface. Question 30. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? A. California. B. Florida. C. Texas. D. Arizona. Correct answer, Florida. Florida, where the sun never stops shining. Question 31. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. B. Gold. C. Silver. D. Copper. Correct answer, Mercury. Mercury. It's the only liquid metal at room temperature. Question 32. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Leopard. Correct answer, lion. The lion, the majestic king of the jungle. Question 33. Which gas do humans exhale? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Question 34. Which planet is called the morning star? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Mercury. Correct answer, Venus. Venus, it shines bright like a morning star. Question 35. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara. B. Gobi. C. Kalahari. D. Arabian. Correct answer, Sahara. The Sahara Desert. Hot, dry, and huge. Question 36. Which U.S. city is famous for its film industry? A. New York. B. Los Angeles. C. Chicago. D. San Francisco. Correct answer, Los Angeles. Los Angeles, the home of Hollywood. Question 37. Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes? A. Tiger. B. Zebra, C. Skunk, D. Panda. Correct answer, zebra. Zebra, nature's striped beauty. Question 38. Which country is home to the kangaroo? A. New Zealand, B. Australia, C. South Africa, D. Canada. Correct answer, Australia. Australia, the land of kangaroos. Question 39. Which U.S. city is known as Sin City? A. Las Vegas, B. Miami, C. Los Angeles, D. New Orleans. Correct answer, Las Vegas. Las Vegas, bright lights, endless fun. Question 40. Which instrument has keys, pedals, and strings? A. Guitar, B. Piano, C. Violin, D. Drum. Correct answer, piano. The piano, a true classic. Question 41. Which U.S. president is on the $1 bill? A. Abraham Lincoln, B. George Washington, C. Thomas Jefferson, D. Benjamin Franklin. Correct answer, George Washington. George Washington, the face of the $1 bill. Question 42. Which ocean touches the west coast of the U.S.? A. Atlantic, B. Pacific, C. Indian, D. Arctic. Correct answer, Pacific. The Pacific Ocean, right along the U.S. West Coast. Question 43. Which bird is a symbol of the United States? A. Eagle, B. Hawk, C. Dove, D. Falcon. Correct answer, eagle. The bald eagle, America's proud symbol. Question 44. Which planet has clouds of sulfuric acid? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Correct answer, Venus. Venus, beautiful but deadly. Question 45. Which fruit is called the citrus king? A. Lemon, B. Orange, C. Grapefruit, D. Lime. Correct answer, orange. Orange, the citrus king. Indeed. Question 46. Which U.S. state is famous for its potatoes? A. Idaho, B. Texas, C. Florida, D. California. Correct answer, Idaho. Idaho, home of the best potatoes. Question 47. Which sea creature has 8 arms? A. Squid, B. Octopus, C. Crab, D. Jellyfish. Correct answer, octopus. The octopus, smart and flexible. Question 48. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? A. Italy, B. France, C. Spain, D. Germany. Correct answer, France. France, the land of love and the Eiffel Tower. Question 49. Which U.S. landmark is carved into a mountain in South Dakota? A. Mount Rushmore, B. Statue of Liberty, C. Lincoln Memorial, D. Grand Canyon. Correct answer, Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore, 4 presidents, 1 mountain. Question 50. Which planet is known as the gas giant? A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Correct answer, Jupiter. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. And that's it. 50 amazing questions done. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and challenge your friends to beat it. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Senior Quiz for more fun, smart, and exciting quiz videos every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next quiz!